Linking your bank account to Expedia allows for easier payment processing and booking management. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Expedia. Step 1. Create or log into your Expedia account. Visit the Expedia website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payment Options or Payment Settings section, which is usually found in the Account or Profile menu. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to add a new payment method. Choose Add Bank Account or a similar option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required details, such as your bank account number, routing number, and any other requested information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to your Expedia account, making future bookings more convenient.